Assalamu alaikum audience. So today I will discuss about Ebola. So Ebola is actually a viral disease and simply we called Ebola Hemorrhagic Fever because in Ebola there is a severe loss of blood from the body, or simply we can say from the vessels. And Ebola hemorrhagic fever is caused by one of five different Ebola viruses, and it most commonly found in African states. So, the four states out of five cause severe illnesses in human and animals, and Riston virus, which does not cause a disease in humans, and they're mostly found in Africa, or we can say African Union. So, all those countries which are included in African Union. Now, I will discuss about some prominent and major symptoms. So the first one is fever or pyrexia. Next one, intense weakness or fatigue or malaise. Next one, pain. So in medical term, anodyne is called to pain, or simply we can say anodyne. Next one, headache. So another medical term for headache is uh, cephalgia. Next one, sore throat, or we can say there is irritation in the throat or in pharynx or larynx. Next one, vomiting. So emesis is also called vomiting. Diarrhea, another name which is medical term, and that is loose motion. And rashes on the skin. Impaired kidneys. So human body consists of two kidneys, and each kidney consists of 1.5 million nephrons, and nephron is the structural and functional unit of kidneys. So internal as well as external bleeding from the body, or simply we can say vessels. And there is an elevation or increase of liver enzymes. Liver is also called chief chemist of the human body because most of the metabolic activities or reactions occurs in liver, and liver is also one of the largest internal organ inside human body, and the main function of enzyme, which is a biological catalyst and speed up the biochemical reactions inside the body. It may be in animals, plants, or humans. And symptom mostly appears after 8 to 10 days. And incubation period is actually uh, we can say that if a mosquito or infection come to the body, so from the time of bite or from the initial infestation till the appearance of symptoms, so those specific time duration is called incubation period, and Ebola incubation period is from 2 to 21 days. So it's all about Ebola hemorrhagic fever. Next one, I will discuss some important vocabulary. So these vocabulary will help you in all competitive examinations. It may be CSS, PMS, FIA, IB, NAB, Custom, Intelligence and Monitoring Officer, along with MOD, Ministry of Defense, Intelligence Bureau, ISI exam, as well as these will also help you in TOEFLs, in PTE exam, as well as in IELTS exams, among others. So the first one is indignation. So something or a person showing anger or furious. So we call it indignation. Next one, judicious. So judicious is also stand for sage or sagacious. Next one, shrewd. So virago, or we can say astute, hoshiyar. Next one, concord. So general agreements which mostly taken among two parties or between two countries or among different countries or multiple countries. Next one, begrudge. So resent or resentment. Next one, munificence. So generosity. Next one, pacified. So soothe, tranquil state. Puraman. Next one, sordid. So battamiz, dirty, filthy. Next one, grim. So ghastly, sinister in character, sanguine. Next one, deplete. So the meaning of deplete is to decrease, decline, dwindle, downsize, downgrade, lowering, downfall. Next one, cajole, धोखा देना. मीठी मीठी बातों से. So to deceive with soothing words or false promises or rosy promises. And the last one is paternity. So descent from a father. So it's all for today. So first I discussed about Ebola, and at the end I have discussed about vocabulary. So stick to Dawn Times for more videos and updates. I am quite optimistic that these vocabulary will help you in all exams, because I feel elated because these vocabulary and statistics and figures have bestowed me in multiple examinations. So thank you and good luck.